So today we're going to see, for instance, how do you, when you click on an article, how do you get these social share icons, social sharing icons to show on your blog post? Okay, and let's see here, they're showing also on pages. I clicked on the About Me page and they're showing on the About Me page. So maybe I don't want to have them over here. Maybe I want to just not have them show on pages, but just on blog posts. So how do we do this? We simply go to Settings, and then we're going to click on Floating Social. So that's the name of the plugin. It's simply the name of the plugin, Floating Social Settings. So here you have all the services, Google+, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, StumbleUpon, Delicious, etc. So they're already made for you. You don't have to set anything up. So I encourage you to just check all of them. Okay, if you want to, you can just uncheck some of them, but why would you? You know, the bottom line is that even if you don't have a Reddit account or a Buffer account, who cares? It's not for you, it's for your readers. Okay, your readers are going to come to your blog, and if they like the article, and I'm sure they will like it, if you just post something that has value, that's really interesting within your niche, then they're going to like it, and they're going to want to share it with their friends, or they're going to want to Facebook like it, share on their LinkedIn, pin it, tweet it. And a lot of people have all of these accounts. Okay, so even though you may not have a Buffer account or StumbleUpon account, then who cares, because your readers may have it. So just give them the option to share it. Social media sharing is very powerful. It's actually one of the most powerful things out there to just rank your post. So I would really encourage you to, this is an important setup. I will really encourage you to have all the options here. So on all of your posts, okay, maybe not on all your pages, for just an appearance purpose, just for aesthetic purpose, but on all of your posts for sure. So let's say, so we checked on everything. Okay, you can also add some new ones. So if for instance in some social media that don't show right here, then you can just add them over here. Okay, add new custom service, appearance, and then you have to enter some codes. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, that's more advanced, don't worry about it. Advanced settings, short links, you don't have to do anything here. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, all of this is okay. Here, this is interesting though. Display. Do not show floating social for these types. So here, if you check one of these, that means that the floating social icons are not going to show on these type of, either on the post. So I want them to show on my post, right? So I'm just going to leave it unchecked. And here, pages. So here I'm just going to check pages, because right here now when I click on my page, About Me, the floating social is up here, and I would like to just get rid of it. I don't like that it shows here on my page. And you may have like a beautiful page and you don't want to have it show. So here you're going to just check this, click on Save Changes, and then you're going back to your About Me page, you refresh it, and there, floating social media icons disappear. They're not here anymore. Okay, so that's how you can you can change it. You can change it right here on display, and you can choose individual entries as well. Okay, if you want them to show on certain pages, then you will just have to click on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this one, and so same goes for media. Okay, show floating social media box in editor, yes, and you just have to, just leave it like that. It's perfect like that. You don't have to do anything else. So this is gonna give you a beautiful, let's see, English blog articles. This is gonna give you a beautiful article with the social media icons that, as I said, are really important. You see, then people can just click on it. Okay, I already liked it. Let's say I'm gonna tweet it. I'm a reader and I'm gonna tweet this post, okay? And then, so you just have, the reader just has to sign in unless they already signed in, right? And then log in and tweet. It's very easy. It makes it so easy for your readers to just share your post. It's so easy because, people are busy. They don't want to spend too much time. Of course, they could just copy the URL. They could copy the link, go on their Facebook fan page, go on their Twitter account and paste it and write a comment. But you know what? They don't want to do that. Most of them won't do that. You have to make it easy for your readers to share your post. So that's a very good way. You see, just click on tweet it, and there it's tweeted. So pin it, same thing. You just pin it. You're going to have a little pop-up. And then they're gonna choose which board they wanna pin your article in, and then you just click on pin it, and there it is, done. So that's gonna give you a lot of. It's really good for Google search to. It's really good to rank your articles when you have these options and when your readers are engaged and they're sharing and liking your blog post and commenting, of course. So here, let's talk about commenting. You see, that's where they're going to comment, okay? So one more thing I'm going to show you today, and then I'm going to let Alejandre take over. So here, let's say we're going to go to home, okay? There, this is the home page. So the home page, I chose it to be my articles, my latest articles, okay? So they're just not full articles, they're just like a summary. So how do you do this? Then you just go to reading. Under settings, you click on reading. And here you're going to pick either your latest post or a static page. So I clicked on your latest post. Now you're going to pick how many posts per page you want to show at a time. So here, it's by default 10. Syndication feed 10. For each article in the feed, show full text or summary. So here it's by default actually. I just click on it, just by default, I'm pretty sure, summary. And then, of course, you could discourage search engine from indexing the site, but I don't think it's very well. For most people, it wouldn't be smart, right? So click on Save Changes, and now that's how it looks, right? It looks like that. Now, if I want to opt for a static page, let's say I don't want my latest blog post to show on my homepage, but I want instead a specific page. Let's say the About Me section, front page, and you just click on Save Changes, and post page you can adjust that too, of course. So here I'm just going to refresh it, and now my home page, instead of being my blog articles extract, then it's just going to be my About Me page, okay?